Hello, good morning, James Hotel, Micah Front Desk Officer. How may I help you?
I'm Mr. Santos. I want to have reservation for 2 nights on September 26 to 28.
Okay, sir, let me check our reservation list of the date which is available.
Okay.
Okay, sir, the date which is available. What type of room did you like, sir?
A single room.
Okay, sir, a single room worth 1,500 pesos per night. How do you settle your account, sir?
On cash.
Okay, sir, may I know your full name, address, and your phone number?
I'm Jerome Santos, 20 years old, from Sagrada Haguni, Bulacan, and my number is 0926-150-4891.
Thank you, sir. Around what time will expect you to arrive in our hotel?
At exactly 9 a.m.
Okay, sir, may I repeat your reservation?
Okay.
You are Jerome Santos, 20 years old from Sagrada Familia, Hagoni, Bulacan, and your number is 0926-150-4891. Your arrival date is on September 26 to 28 for 2 nights, and your arrival time is 9 in the morning. Your room is a single room. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. See you.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'm Jerome Santos, and I made a single room reservation last week from morning of September 26 to 28.
Okay, sir. Let me check our reservation list.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, sir, you are Jerome Santos, 20 years old, from Sagrada, Haguni, Bulacan, and your cell phone number is 0926-150-4891.
Yup, that's me. How much a single room per day?
Our single room is 1,500 pesos per night. It will cost you 3,000 in 2 days.
Okay, thanks for the information.
Sir, will you please fill up this registration form, and afterwards, a room will accompany you to your room. Let me call our housekeeping
Okay.
department. Hello, good morning. Micah Front Desk Officer. Is room 102 ready for occupancy? Okay, thank you. Are you done, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, your room is ready. Here is your key. Your room number is 103. Enjoy your staying in our hotel.
Thanks for the information. Okay. Isa pa.
Good evening. This is Micah speaking from office. How may I help you?
This Jerome Santos. Ano yung tayo nga? Ron.
Good evening. This is Micah Mercado speaking front office. How may I help you?
This is Jerome Santos from 102. I would like to make a request for an extra blanket here in my room.
Okay, sir. Please just wait for a minute and we will deliver you an extra blanket.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is Micah speaking front office. How may I help you?
This is Jerome Santos from 102. I will be checked out today.
Okay, sir. Would you like to settle? How would you like to settle your bill, sir?
I will be paying my bills in cash.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning. What can I do for you, sir?
I will be checked out. I'm Jerome Santos.
Okay, here is your bill, sir.
Here is my payment and the key in your room.
Okay, thank you, sir.